Uri urari mwandiki mukaru kanitha-ini wa PCEA guku bururi-ini Peter Kania ni athikitwo kaburi-ini ya atungatiri kanitha-ini wa Kimuritho Goto Kikuyu kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Hamwe na aria macakaite Kania ni kanitha wa PCEA kugerera moderator wa General Assembly Julius Mwamba, ngwataniro ya makanitha ma kiroho NCCK kugerera kuri mwandiki mukaru ngwataniro-ini ino Chris Kenyanjui, oro undu umwe na andu a nyumba yake.
We shared the same mind, the same spirit. When he is disturbed, I was also disturbed. I don't want to talk much about that because I have really lost a friend, a general secretary and a minister of the Presbyterian Church of East Africa.
Not just of the spreading of the gospel, but also one who brought people together and brought churches together. I've talked to many church leaders who know him and have worked with him, and he has been a pillar of ecumenism for the National Council of Churches of Kenya.
Ndumiriri ni ya mutongoria wa bururi ni ri thomirwo ni minister wa ugima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini Mutahi Kagwe atamburite Kania ta mutongoria urari njorua wira-ini wake oro undu umwe na kuhunjia urumwe.
Kariuki arari njorua, arari mutongoria wa kanitha ta secretary general wa PCEA, na ona ukira secretary general wa PCEA ni mutongoria wa bururi tondu ndaratwikaga ati no maundu ma ukanitha kana no kuhunjia. Reverend Kania arari mutongoria ginya wa guteithiriria andu ginya hindo eno ya COVID-19 ni atongoririe program ire retagwo ati o family kageria kunyita family ingimwe, yani mundu urehota agasponsor family ici itarehota kahinda-ini gaka.
Munini wake munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto augite Kania arari kimwe gia gitugi kia mahoya hari kuhoera bururi.
Weza kusema bila taswishi yoyote kwamba Peter Kania ni kiongozi shupafu wa kanisa. Yeye ni shujaa wa imani na muombezi mkubwa wa taifa letu la Kenya.
Na kuri arikiririe ndumiriri yake na rwimbo.
Bwana sehemu ya rafiki yangu wewe katika safari yangu tatembea na wewe.
Ona Kania arakuire kumana na murimu wa COVID-19 riu athikirwo ni maofitha ugima wa mwiri riri aria mauma igongona-ini riri makigacirithia mitaratara iria migathike ni thirikari niguo kunyihanyihia utheremia wa murimu uyu. Handu-ini ha Njata TV kuma kanitha-ini wa Kimuri Kikuyu kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Ngetwo Wacuka wa Kiari.